Hi, once again, this is Kaiser from Active SEO Feed. Today's lesson, I will show you how to track the view cart event. View cart event is the event when a visitor click on the view cart button of your e-commerce website. Okay, uh, on click view cart event, a event name view underscore cart has been fired. So first of all, you have to create a trigger and it is asking for the three variables currency, items and value. We have already created it, so let's create a trigger. Click on the trigger and click new, give a name GA4 view card trigger, and the trigger configuration, it will be fired on custom event when the event name is view card. Click the save button, and now return to the text and click new, give it a name GA4 view cart tag, and the tag is type Google Analytics GA4 event, and it measurement ID is GA4 measurement ID. Look, in the first video, I have told you that we are putting the measurement ID in a variable because we will be needed it several times. So it is a good practice to create a variable instead of writing the same value again and again. Okay, the event name should be viewcard. There will be three parameters here. Let me add it first, and the parameter name, uh, currency, items, and the last one is value. And currency is under DLV e-commerce GA4 e-commerce currency, and item is DLV GA4 GA4 e-commerce item, and last one DLV GA4 e-commerce value. And now the trigger is view card trigger, and click save button. Now it's time to test it. So before testing, you have to submit the changes. So I'm giving the version name added view card trigger, and click publish button. Now go back to workspace and click preview button, click connect. Okay, this time I will directly go to this view card, and look, the view card event, view card tag has been fired. The two tag, view item and add to cart, has not been fired now because I haven't added any item or view any item right now. So the view card tag has been fired, and look here, there are three items and the total price is $558. So let's check it. View card variable, GA4 currency USD item, this three item, and the value is 548. Okay, here there has been a shipping rate. In cart, it the subtotal calculated based on the product price. So the product price is 548 and it is showing here. You may also check it from the debugger of analytics. It will be fired here also, view card. Okay, in the next video tutorial, I will show you how to track the begin checkout event. I mean, when a visitor click proceed to checkout. So if you are new to my channel, click the subscribe button, and if you already subscribed my channel, then you are welcome. And also, if you need any help regarding digital marketing or web analytics server side tracking, you can hire me. My contact details will be in the description of this video below. Thanks. Bye bye.